In the interior design course, the briefs are carefully made to mimic real-world challenges.
It is very much like joining a college as a student, but the advantage is that you are doing it at a time which is your own free time, because this is really being positioned as an upskilling course.
We ask our students to actually go out and find real-life clients and real sites as well. The idea is that as a module progresses, the student interacts with the clients and gets their feedback to incorporate into the design process altogether. This helps in the selection of accessories, products, material selections, and only enriches the design process at the end.
It's like a full course, but it's online and it works like a real-time course.
The learners then go on to put their work on Miro, which is basically like a virtual pin-up board space where everybody can view each other's work. There's constant feedback that can be given not only from the faculty but also from peers.
The best part which I found after completing this course is that you teach whatever is needed practically.
The curriculum, the way everything was framed out was really very simple for us to understand how this entire process is going to be for us.
When you know the theoretical part of it and when you do it online on an app like we are doing in Cohom, we get to understand what's needed at the industry level.
Faculty, be it Tanya ma'am, Tableen ma'am, Ayush sir, Ruchika ma'am and whoever the faculty are very helpful in making us understand the concepts of design.
And even the peers I was learning with, they were very interactive and basically as a community gave me a lot of confidence, to come out as a designer.